Hello, drone enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of aerial technology as we explore the top 5 drones in 2024. Whether you're a professional photographer, a tech enthusiast, or just someone looking for a high-flying adventure, we've got you covered. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check the link in the description below. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all things drones. Now, let's soar into the skies. First up on our list is the DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro packs a slew of features ideal for enthusiasts and professionals alike. It stands apart from the crowd with its 5.1 Kelvin Hasselblad triple camera system, which can capture insanely detailed 5.1 Kelvin video at up to 50 FPS and still images at up to 48 megapixels. The cameras sit on a 3-axis gimbal for maximum tilt, roll, and pan control. One camera has a wide-angle 24mm lens with a large 4/3 CMOS sensor for better dynamic range and lower noise in low-light environments. It also has an adjustable aperture from f/2.8 to f/11. The second camera has a 166mm telephoto lens with 28x hybrid digital and optical zoom and an aperture of f/3.4. There's also a medium, 70mm telephoto camera that has 48MP resolution and an aperture of f/2.8. These higher-end cameras do a remarkable job capturing daytime or night shots. All video content can be stored using the drone's 1TB SSD of internal storage. This drone's enhanced omnidirectional sensors, built-in GPS, and advanced auto-return feature help its pilot avoid obstacles in complex environments. DJI's active track subject recognition technology accurately locks onto a moving object on the ground to track and film it with ease. When used with DJI goggles sold separately, you can enjoy an incredibly immersive, first-person view of your flights. Next, we have the HoverAir X1. The HoverAir X1 isn't your typical drone. Rather than guiding it with controls on your phone or using joysticks on a remote control, the HoverAir is a selfie drone. Launch it from the palm of your hand and it'll follow you, orbit you, or zoom far overhead to take bird's-eye video. So while you can't use this drone for recreational flying or to shoot cinematic videos of your neighborhood, it's ideal as a sort of flying selfie stick to capture footage of you riding a skateboard or hiking the side of a mountain. The drone's magic is in its simplicity. A single button on the drone lets you choose from among a half-dozen modes: hover in place, zoom out, follow, orbit, bird's eye, snapshot, and dolly track, which has the drone fly in front of you, moving backward to keep you in the frame. The button also allows you to customize certain flight characteristics, such as how far away from you the drone flies while shooting. It launches from your hand, tracks your body, and settles back down on your hand when the shoot is done. It comes with 2 batteries, though each one only gives you about 10 minutes of flight time. A plastic cage completely encases the propellers, so when it flies into a tree, it won't get damaged. And it probably will fly into things. It has no collision avoidance, and doggedly tries to track you even if stuff gets in between. Now, let's talk about the EXO Scout. The EXO Scout steps up the toy drone category with a greater range of abilities than you might expect from a drone at this size and price, making it the all-time best drone for beginners. It has 3 flight speeds: 7, 12, and 15 miles per hour. The drone also handles auto takeoffs and landings. Plus, you can set an altitude hold mid-flight and take advantage of internal sensors to avoid crashes. The camera shoots 1080p video, or 6-megapixel still images. You're able to tilt the camera up or down remotely using your smartphone and take advantage of a 10x digital zoom feature. On the downside, the maximum flight range is just 315 feet, and flight time is a mere 15 minutes per battery charge. We recommend purchasing the 2 or 3 battery kit from Amazon. Priced under $170, this drone is a good value if you're looking for a budget-oriented option that's simple to operate. Now, let's talk about the DJI Mini 3 Pro. The DJI Mini 3 Pro weighs a mere 2.8 ounces and fits in your palm when folded, making it great to pack for your next trip. Its flight time lasts up to 34 minutes, and it has a flight range of 7.5 miles. With the extra cost plus battery, it can stay airborne for a lofty 47 minutes. Like other DJI models, the DJI Mini 3 Pro has convenient features like automatic takeoff and smart return to home. The camera sits on a 3-axis gimbal and can capture content in portrait or landscape mode. Its specs impress. It has a 4x digital zoom, a wide 180-degree field of view, and can shoot 4K video at up to 60 FPS. Detailed and sharp still images can be shot at a massive 48 megapixels. Despite its small size, this drone can withstand winds of up to 23 miles per hour. Its compact size comes in handy in many regions, as the Mini 3 Pro may be small enough to bypass local regulatory rules. Last but not least, DJI Air 3. DJI's Air 3 is a good option for those looking for a more premium drone than the beginner-friendly DJI Mini 3 Pro, but aren't ready to splurge on the pricey DJI Mavic 3 Pro. For a couple $100 more than the DJI Mini 3 Pro, the Air 3 adds a second camera lens and several advanced features, including omnidirectional obstacle sensing and waypoint, a feature that lets you plan flight routes and shooting actions in advance, plus save those routes to be repeated later. All to say, this drone opens more creative doors than the Mini 3 Pro, while being nearly half the price of the more premium Mavic 3 Pro. Our top 5 best drones in 2024. Whether you're into photography, exploration, or extreme flying, there's a drone on this list for you. Be sure to check the links in the description for more information on these drones and where to get them. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more exciting drone content. Happy flying!